Dear students, let us see how we can create functions in PHP. We know that what is a function? Function means it contains a block of statements that are designated for a particular task. There are three components to every function. So for a function, it is having mainly three components: arguments, return values, and function body. Arguments means which serve as input to the function. Then return values means which are the outputs returned by the function, and function body which contains the processing code to turn the input to corresponding output. So here arguments are there, which is the input towards the corresponding function. Return values are there, that is the output from the function, and function body which contains a set of code that is termed as the processing code which transforms input to corresponding output value. We are having an example with us. So this is the starting of PHP code, and here we are having a function. Function is a keyword which is used to start or which is used to define a function in PHP. Function hello. Hello is the function name. So in this particular function there will be no input value. A block is associated with the corresponding function. Echo, this is a demo function. So here the function is the function name is hello, which contains a single display statement. So in order to invoke this hello function, we just call hello. So this particular function will be invoked, and this is a demo function that will be displayed. This is a simple example for function in PHP. Let us see with a function with arguments and return values. So here we are having the starting PHP code function get parameter. So we are trying to create a function. Get parameter is the name of the function, and inside the parenthesis two variables are there: $length, $width. So these are the arguments or input towards the function get parameter. Then a block is there which contains the processing code associated with the get parameter function. Dollar perimeter is equal to 2 star $length plus $width. So this is a mathematical state expression. Then echo the perimeter of a rectangle of length $length units and width $width units is $perimeter units. So we are having a function which is termed as get parameter, which take two input values $length and $width. Inside the function block, it creates another variable called $perimeter, where $perimeter is equal to 2 into $length plus $width. Then a display statement, echo statement is there, which is used to display the perimeter of a rectangle of length $length units and width $width units is $perimeter units. So in order to invoke this particular get perimeter function, just call get perimeter of 4, 2. So what happens here, it is 4 is copied to length variable and 2 is copied to width variable. So here what happens is in this particular function, length will be equal to 2 and width will be equal to 4. So in the particular function, $perimeter is equal to 2 star $length plus width, that is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 into 2, it will be equal to 12. So $perimeter is having value 12. So the display statement will be like this: the perimeter of a rectangle of length 4 units and width 2 units is 12 units. So this is the example for a function which take arguments and having a return function, a return value. Now we can understanding the variable scope. Remember, if where the scope of a variable is limited to its blocks. So here this is the starting of a PHP code function change score. So a function is created with function name change score which does not have any arguments. Inside the corresponding function a variable is created. The name of the variable is score which contains a data value 25. Now $score is equal to 11. Outside the function another score variable is declared with having an initial value 11. Echo score is $score. So output will be score is 11 because this score before this particular line score is defined as 11. So here is also the output is score is 11. Then change score function is called. Change score function is called, and inside the change score function another variable $score is declared with initial value 25. Again, after the change score calling function, an echo statement is there. Score is $score. So here also score is 11 will be printed because the idea is that dollar score is equal to 11. We are not changing the value here. So the final output is, or the last statement output is also 11. And another point is that this score, the score which is defined in change score function is limited to this particular blocks. So this is a local variable towards this change score function. So if you want to display a score statement, or if we display the value of score element inside the function, then the value is 25. Outside the change score function, the value of score is 11 because there is a variable called score which is defined outside the change score function. So that value will be considered, and remember that the scope of a variable is limited to its blocks. That is termed as the local scope of a variable. Now we can see another example. PHP code is a function change score global score is equal to 25. So we are creating a function called change score function. In the change score function, we are declaring a global variable score. Then score is having value 25. Then after that, $score is equal to 11. So $score outside the function, a score variable is created with initial value 11. Echo score is $score. So what happens here it is score is 11 will be printed. Then change score function is called. Inside the change score function, a global variable score is declared with initial value 25. Now a global variable score is declared with value 25. Then echo score is $score. So here what happens is score is $score. So what happens here it is the value of global score will be considered and it will be print 25. Score is 25 because before this particular statement, before this particular display statement, we call the change score function. So what happens in the change score function is a global variable score is created with initial value 25. So that will be considered in the corresponding display statement. So this is the difference between local variable and global variable. If a variable is declared globally, that global variable is having access across the whole program. So hope you understood everything related to functions in PHP, how to create functions and how we can call the functions in PHP. Thank you.